Taco salad with crunchy tortilla bowls, a flavorful and fun meal. If you love tacos but want a fresh, crunchy twist, then taco salad with crunchy tortilla bowls is the way to go. This dish combines all the delicious flavors of a taco with the satisfying crunch of a tortilla bowl. Perfect for lunch or dinner, this salad is easy to make, fully customizable, and a crowd pleaser for all ages. Ingredients: serves 4. For the tortilla bowls: 4 large flour tortillas, 1 tablespoon olive oil, ½ teaspoon salt. For the taco salad: 1 pound ground beef, or turkey for a leaner option, 1 packet taco seasoning, 1/4 cup water, 4 cups chopped romaine lettuce, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, ½ cup black beans, drained and rinsed, ½ cup corn kernels, ½ cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup sliced black olives, 1/4 cup diced red onion, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. For the dressing: ½ cup sour cream or Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, optional 1 teaspoon cumin, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. How to make it? Step 1. Prepare the tortilla bowls. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Lightly brush both sides of each tortilla with olive oil and sprinkle with salt. Press each tortilla into an upside-down oven-safe bowl or a muffin tin to create a bowl shape. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, until golden and crisp. Remove and let cool. Step 2. Cook the meat. In a skillet over medium heat, cook the ground beef until browned. Drain any excess grease, then add the taco seasoning and water. Stir and let simmer for 5 minutes until the sauce thickens. Step 3. Assemble the salad. In a large mixing bowl, toss the chopped lettuce, tomatoes, black beans, corn, cheddar cheese, olives, red onion, and cilantro. Step 4. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the sour cream, or Greek yogurt, lime juice, hot sauce, if using, cumin, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Step 5. Serve. Place a tortilla bowl on each plate. Fill with the salad mixture, top with seasoned meat, and drizzle with the dressing. Serve immediately and enjoy. Customization ideas. Want to switch things up? Swap the ground beef for grilled chicken, shrimp, or a vegetarian alternative like seasoned tofu. Add avocado slices for a creamy touch or crushed tortilla chips for extra crunch. Pro tips for the best taco salad. Make the tortilla bowls ahead of time to save prep work for busy days. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients for the best flavors. Customize the spice level by adjusting the amount of taco seasoning and hot sauce. Store leftovers separately to keep the tortilla bowls crisp and the salad fresh. Now that you have the perfect taco salad recipe, how do you like to customize yours?